How to use dApps with Flint Wallet. Let's show you how. First, you need to make sure that your collateral has been set in order to interact with smart contracts and dApps on Cardano. Once that's done, you can proceed to a dApp of your choice. For the purpose of this exercise, we will be using the Wing Riders DAX. To begin, we first must connect Flint Wallet to the dApp. We connect our account, and in a matter of seconds, your dApp is connected to Flint Wallet. Next, we're going to perform a dApp transaction. In this case, we will be swapping some tokens using the Wing Riders DAX. Let's do that. We select some tokens. When performing a dApp transaction, you are provided with a confirmation page to help you review the transaction you're making. If everything looks good, you can go ahead to approve the transaction. And just like that, your transaction has been signed. This is how to use a dApp with Flint Wallet.